We're going to focus on words that describe actions. Our learning target says, I can identify and use verbs. Verbs are words that describe actions. They tell what someone or something is doing. If you see a verb that you do not know, you can look it up in the dictionary. Let's look at some examples. Manuel likes to munch on apples. Munch is a verb. It describes the action. Kayla grinned at her friend. Grinned is a verb. It's fun to jump in the pool. Jump is a verb. Ducks float in the pond. Float is a verb because it's an action word. The horses gallop on the track. Gallop is a verb. You can bounce the ball. The ball is the noun that is doing the action. Bounce is the verb in this sentence. It is the action word.